What's up, guys? Welcome back to Tech by Nazon. Let me ask you something. Have you ever wanted to record a video, take a group picture, or even go live, but there was nobody around to help you hold your phone? Or maybe you have tried balancing your phone against a cup or a wall or even a stack of books, only for it to fail over half through recording. Yeah, I've been there myself. So when I came across this K28P selfie stick tripod, I know the name is long. I was curious. It claims to be a selfie stick, a tripod, and even comes with a wireless remote. But the real question is it actually worth buying, or is it just another cheap gadget product? Well, today we are going to unbox it, test it, and look at the features, the good, the bad, and by the end of this video, you will know if this particular product is worth your money. So let's get started. Alright, here is the box. The packaging is pretty simple, nothing too fancy, but everything you need is clearly written on it. Right here it says it's supposed to phone clamps for live streaming. It can also be used as a handheld stabilizer. It has a detachable Bluetooth remote and it also works with a tripod. For something in this price range, that's already a nice list of features. Let's open it and see what we actually get inside the box. You will find the selfie stick itself, and that's pretty much it. And some manual, no charging cable, no carrying pouch, just the selfie stick with the inbuilt remote. Simple and straightforward. The first thing I noticed when I picked it up is that it feels surprisingly solid. It is mostly made from plastic with a metal extension rod in the middle. The handle has this texture design which gives it a better grip when you are holding it. And at the bottom, the legs fold out in triple fold. Setting up takes around few seconds. The tripod feels stable on a flat surface, although I wouldn't recommend using it on an even ground or in a stronger wind because it's still a lightweight tripod. One thing I like is how compact it is. When I folded it, it doesn't take much space, so you can easily throw it into your backpack before heading out. Now let's talk about one of the best features, the Bluetooth remote. The remote is removable, which means you don't have to touch your phone every time you want to take a picture. Pairing it is very simple. Just switch on the remote, connect it through your Bluetooth settings, and you are ready to go. Once connected, you can stand there a few meters away and snap photos or start recording without back into your phone. If you are someone who creates YouTube videos, TikTok or Instagram reels, or even family photos, or even some YouTube and even some Facebook reels or something like that, this feature is honestly very useful. And also, if you like what you are watching, please don't forget to subscribe. I've been using it around the house and honestly it is very convenient. Recording product reviews becomes much easier because I don't have to keep adjusting my phone manually. For videos, call, online meeting or even anything streaming, it also does a good job. The phone holder grips my hand securely, so I wasn't worried about it falling. The extension rod also gives you extra height. It's like around 6 feet. So making it easier to capture wider shots. So if you're a content creator just starting out or you are simply enjoy taking pictures while traveling, this could be a really useful accessory for you. Here are the things I like. First, it's a lightweight and easy to carry. Second, the Bluetooth remote works well and is easy to pair. Third, it can be used in 3 different ways: as a selfie stick, as a tripod, and as a handheld grip. And finally, it's a beginner friendly for people who are starting newly. You don't need to read a manual for 30 minutes before figuring it out. Everything is very simple. Of course, no product is perfect. Since it's lightweight, I wouldn't trust it outside on a very heavy windy day. Also, the plastic build doesn't feel as premium or more expensive selfie stick. If you are planning on using it every day for professional work, you might eventually want something stronger because it's not the most durable. It will soon fall apart. But for the price, I honestly think it's a reasonable product. So would I recommend this K28P selfie stick tripod? Yes, especially if you are looking for an affordable option. It is portable, easy to use, comes with a Bluetooth remote, and can save you the stress of asking someone to take your pictures or holding your phone while recording. Is it perfect? No, but considering what you get for the price, I think it's good value for money. If you are just starting a YouTube, creating content on social media, attending online meetings, or you simply love taking photos, I think this is worth checking out. If you enjoyed this review or find it helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech by Nazon because I review affordable tech products like this every week. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.